Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've been uploading videos on English language past couple of years basically. Still I'm making some sort of mistakes which is quite obvious if you are not learning with a tutor and you are like learning with by self only, because self-made is something that most of the people want to do it, but that is very difficult because there is no one who is going to support you are the one who is basically motivate you, and self motivated person is most important, and he can do basically anything in the life basically. So always like focus on like self education, because that is the things which helps people to improve themselves, because that is how basically I motivated, and the reason behind it is basically I focus on studies more rather than scrolling on internet, and always basically having a some sort of mind where I can produce some sort of thing from my end, because in today's world there is a lot of consumer, and because of consumption index you can see like in YouTube every day to day basis, if I'm working person and still I'm able to manage like 8 hours give to YouTube, so you can realize that if somebody is studying and doing something, so how can basically he is able to uh, get waste time on the platforms such as Instagram, which is very famous. And I've been also scrolling and searching lot of thing in that particular platform, but uh, at the end when I found out that it doesn't matter me a lot, basically impressing someone and posting, that is the thing which I'm kind of addicted. But as far as I basically got realized that these things which doesn't matter, basically you need to find out your purpose of your life, what why you are in this world. So from that onwards I keep uploading videos on English language and posting about English, because it's like a very heart of my thing, like basically initially days of my life where I was searching for skill, and so at the time I got one tutor which helps me a lot. From there onwards I got motivated towards learning something, because from previously I am not a studious child and nothing like that, but still I managed to get pass in 10th and 12th, and that is a good thing for me. And then onwards I got one tutor which helps me like to speak and get like I can basically do it. Basically he basically taught me like what is self belief and self like motivated person is. From that onwards I am basically able to manage my focus, because at the time I was still searching and scrolling and just following people's whatever they are doing basically. That is not kind of thing, nowadays I'm doing, because I basically focus on more which is helps me to increase myself, increase my productivity. And so yeah, these are the things which is very important, because for freedom actually you need to work, and for that rest of the things are all byproducts such as fame, name, and followers. These all things are very easy to get, but you need to have a solid mindset towards helping others. That is what I'm basically focused on. And I'm not a professional in this field, but still am crave to learn, and I'm hunger and I'm eager to learn anything. So that's why I upload videos every day. You find if you find this video like something you got motivation from it, so don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye, have a good day.